Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have another Worx product here for you. Except this one is a chainsaw, except this one is on a pole. So you can extend it, cut the limbs that are too freaking high for you. You know what I'm talking about, eh? So this is the bad boy. Oh my God, it's a big freaking box. 10-inch saw, 8 amp. Worx saw. Now remember, we did that other one. I'll have a link up here to let you take a look at that 14.5 amp beast. This is the baby brother. So we're going to do an unboxing and doing a demonstration of this bad boy because I need to cut something outside, and we're going to do a video. We're actually going to do it real time as we use this. So like I did with the last video, that's exactly how we did it. I have never used it. We're going to unbox it and use it and see how well it works or how well it doesn't work. Ooh. Oh, wow. Check this out. Oh, my God. This is sick. Look at this thing. So it does have a notch in here, and it does have to slide in properly. And then this screws in. So there is a electric wire that's built in the tube, and there is a trigger on this. Wow, this is sick. There is a trigger here, so you can actually control it right from here, right from the lower end here. Power is here. That's nice. And wow, this extends. Oh, it's spring loaded. Check that out. Wow, so you don't have to pull it down manually. It's spring loaded. So you want to, I'm sorry guys, I'm getting excited. So you want to extend it and then lock it in place. And then when you want to unlock it, it automatically comes down on its own. No, look at the size of this thing. It's so cute. Yeah, so just make sure you put oil in this bad boy before you use it. We're going to fill it up now. So we have this bar chain oil. I'm going to fill this up. So I actually bought bar chain oil, Sunjoe. This will be in the link in the description below if you need it. I've been using it for all of my chain saw machines, including my DeWalt's. So always want to make sure you protect this thing and make sure that it's, you know, you don't want to heat up the blade and destroy it. There is a safety switch right here, and that must be pressed before you can pull the trigger, okay? So what's really cool is that this part here, this pushes that button, and then this part here pushes the trigger. So when you put this together like so, it actually does that. Isn't that cool? And then this part holds it on. So when we turn that trigger on, this is an extension of that. So here's the safety and here's the trigger. So the wire is in this tube, and this is an extension of it. What a clever, clever idea. And go up. This bush here is a big pain in the ass because it has, it's all berries. Come on now. Let's see. shoot it. Got any wires down. freaking love it, man. You got to be really strong, up the strength. Nice. Perfect. Man, am I hot. That was, you definitely need upper arm strength, no question asked. That thing, considering it's like way extended like that, you saw me struggling just a little bit, but it works really, really well. I'm very, very impressed with that device. It did exactly what I needed to do. I got a big mess to clean up now, but I needed all that stuff cut down. It is what it is. I can make a lot of marshmallow sticks now with no problem. This is definitely going to get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this bad boy. It's a must-have. I love it. It's an incredible thing. Take care, and we'll see you next time.